Hello students, today's our topic is simplify. In simplify, addition and subtraction, both type of questions are together, all together in one questions. Like here, we have three numbers, two we have to add and then we have to separate. So for simplify, how we'll solve it, we will discuss first this thing. Whatever is first given, we will solve it first. Like we will leave this number for now and we will take care of two numbers just first. Firstly, we have to add these both. So, we'll write like this: 7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 9 and 3. 7 and 1, 8. 8, 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 and 3, 8. This is our answer after adding these two. After adding these, we have to subtract this from their answer. Understand? First we will add these two numbers, then we will get the answer. Out of that answer, we will subtract this number like this. You have to leave one or two lines here in your notebook because carrying we will write here only. Carrying and borrowing, whatever it is, we will write it here. 1, 3, 0 and 5. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. In this way we will solve and this is our final answer. Okay? Now we will do third question of our exercise. This is 5348 minus 2161 plus 7300. In this question, firstly subtraction is given. So again we will leave that number and we will solve these first. So we have to subtract. Always you have to remain a space here so that we can write here the borrowing or carrying, whatever it is. Minus. We will subtract it first. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 can't be subtracted from 4, so we will take the borrow. 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the answer of this operation. Now whatever answer we got from this, we will add this in that answer like this. 3181 and 0, 0, 3, 7 will be added to this. 1, 8, 3 and 1 is 4, 3 and 7 is 10. This is our final answer. In this way, we will solve all the answer. I will tell you by solving one more question. We will solve 8 question more. $63,250 minus 1,598 plus 2,689 minus 35,070. This is our 8th question. 8th question. Okay. In this, there are 4 numbers and 3 operations we have to make. But we will follow the same rule here also. We will add first 2 numbers, then third, then 2. So first of all, we will see only these 2 numbers. These 2 we will leave for this time. First, we will subtract 1,598 out of 63,250. 8, 9, 5, 1. We have to subtract this. Can't subtract it. So there will be borrowing. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again borrowing. 14 minus 9 is 5. Again borrowing. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. And this is 6. This is the answer of operating these 2 numbers. Now next is addition and we have to add this number. So we'll write like this. 9, 8, 6, 2. 9 plus 2, 1, 11. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 carry, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 and 6 13, 1 again carry, 1 and 1 2, 2 and 2 4 and 6 plus nothing is 6 only. Now we got this answer after solving the sum till here. But that third step also we have to do. For this we will subtract the number with the answer. And we will subtract this number 07053. Okay, 0 out of 1 is 1, 7 can't be subtracted out of 4, so borrowing we have to make. 14 minus 7 is 7, 2 minus 0 is 2, again this is not possible, so borrowing. 14 minus 5 is 9, 5 minus 3 is 2, so this is our final answer. In this way you have to do all the sums